So this is a room tour of the Goodwood Hotel just outside Chichester. So this is a king executive room. So we've got a king size bed. On each side of the bed there is a bedside table and lighting. There doesn't appear to be any charges though. There is a complimentary bottle of water. There is a large flat screen TV, plenty of drawers. There is a small desk area, tea and coffee making facilities with an espresso room, which is an espresso maker, which is always a nice touch. Hairdryer. So there is a full-size mirror, and just inside there is a safe. And there are bathrobes as well. Use of the gym and swimming pool is included here. Hello. Along with breakfast as well. Nice modern clean bright bathroom with toiletries, shower, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, hand soap, body lotion. The room doesn't come including me though. So this was about £250. I think. So obviously set up perfectly for if you're visiting one of the Goodwood festivals or a wedding in the local area.